Hello everyone. So today we're going to learn how do we print numbers from 1 to 5 using a for loop here. We all know that for loop is used to repeat a task for fixed number of times. So I know the goal of this program is to print numbers from 1 to 5. I know how many times to repeat a task. Hence we have to always prefer the for loop here. So let's understand how does a for loop work. So basically, whenever we talk about for, we start with for, immediately parenthesis, and we have to write what? Curly braces. This is the scope of the for loop. So the goal of this particular program is to print numbers from 1 to 5. So firstly, I will start with the initialization. Int I equals to 1. I am starting from 1. Until when I have to repeat? Until I reach 5. So until I value is lesser than or equal to 5. Okay. And after that 1 to 5 gradually I have to increment by 1. So I will write it as I++. So basically we are giving the initialization part, condition and then updation here. And I will print system.out.println, the short form for print statement. Print, what am I going to print over here? The value I here. I am going to print the value I. Let's see how does the tracing work here. Step number 1, initialization. So I value is getting initialized to what here? I value is getting initialized to 1. Next, I need to check the condition. I is lesser than or equal to 5 here. So what is my I value? 1. So is 1 lesser than or equal to 5 here? True. Once the condition is true, the control gets inside the block here and I am printing the value of I. What is the value of I here? 1. After that, the control goes to update. So I value increments by 1 here. That becomes 2. Next, again I have to check the condition. So what is the value of I? 2. Is lesser than or equal to 5? Yes, again it's true. True means again the control comes inside. I print the value of I. What is my I value? 2. After printing 2, again the control goes to update I++. I value will become 3. Again check the condition here. Is 3 lesser than or equal to 5 here? Yes, it's true once again. So the control comes inside, print I. What is my I value? 3. Again goes back, I++. I value will become 4. Check the condition. Is 4 lesser than or equal to 5 here? Yes, it's true once again. Again the control comes inside, print I. What is my I value? 4. 4 gets printed. Control goes back, I++. I value will become 5. Again check the condition. Is 5 lesser than or equal to 5? Yes, it's true. Again the control comes inside. I print the value of 5. What is my value? 5. After printing 5, again the control goes to I++. Finally, I value changes to 6. Check the condition. Is 6 lesser than or equal to 5 here? It's false. Once the condition is false, the control comes outside the loop here, and this is about printing numbers 1 to 5 using for loop here. So basically how did we start? We started with initialization, checking the condition. If true, come inside, print, go back to update. Condition, true, come inside, execute, go back. That is the reason we call this as a looping statement, repeatedly performing some task. The reason why we are going with for loop is I know how many times to repeat a particular task here. So this is the code and the logic to print numbers from 1 to 5 using for loop here.